Hello everyone, my name is KG Aldo Guzman from San Isidro Angadanan, Isabela, and I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. And now, I'm here to discuss about how to stand correctly. Ang po natin gawin ay tumayo ng straight. Second, huwag po natin i-bend ang ating tuhod. Okay? Huwag po ganyan. Kailangan natin straight pati ang ating tuhod. And now, we need to press out like this one and chin up like this one. Okay, this is the proper way how to get the correctly stand. Thank you everyone, and I hope you have learned about how to stand correctly. Thank you.